Alright, hi you guys. I'm Corey and you're watching Casual Girl Adventures with my son Chad, my special person all the time. Mwah! Anyway, yay! Our Wednesday Hump Day Food Day! Woo! Yeah! It's a wheat flour steam cake, and basically it's very simple, you guys. I think this will be one of the most simplest, is that a word?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. One of the most simplest things I've done so far. All you do is keep it frozen, and you just heat it up in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready to serve. It's all ready to go. Nice pretty colors. What do we got? Can't see, pink and green, and oh, maybe there's a skeleton on that one. Oh, a ghost on that one. Ooh.
Whoa.
Hey, you guys, keep an eye out for the eyeballs. They're around there somewhere. I know you'll find them. Yeah. Woo. All right, you guys. Well, you know what? Let's get cooking them and taste them for you. You want to go taste them?
Yeah.
Let's jump right into it, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. On a count of 2, 3, 2.
Yeah! All right, we're gonna cook them now. Just 2 to 3 minutes in the microwave.
Yeah. Daisy.
Daisy, she's always around. You want some? You want some? They're not cooked yet. I don't want any. All right, let me open this and get them in the microwave. All right, let's open this and get them in the microwave, guys. Very nice and simple. 2 to 3 minutes. I'll let you know exactly. Well, not exactly, but I'll let you know around about, because every microwave is different. Oh, look at a little surprise inside. Little sesame seeds. Oh, that was cute. That was unexpected. I like that. But anyway, I have a 900-watt microwave. And I'm going to do about 2 minutes and check. I'm going to do about 2 minutes and test them and let you guys know how long my 900-watt microwave took to heat these up. They're frozen. Frozen. Yep, they're frozen. All right. Microwave! So we'll be back, guys. I'll let you know how long it'll take. We'll be back. You better wait. Better be there. We're gonna try them out for you. Okay, we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, you guys. They're done. I'll tell you a little bit what I did. Smells like bread. Smells like wheat flour. Well, what do you know? That's what it is. So I did 2 minutes while they were like super solid frozen. And then I thought about it and I was like, maybe they might be better if I put it on a lower temperature. So I did about 60% on my microwave. And then I did about 2.5 minutes. They smell good. They smell like wheat flour. They're really soft. But that's the package that came in there. You guys saw that. It's what it is like a little salt and sesame oil kind of grinded up. Not sesame oil, sesame seeds. But I have my own sesame seeds. Yeah. This is a little topping for this. So let's add the little topping. And then on them, sprinkle it on. Let's see. I don't know. Let's just sprinkle it on a little bit. Or maybe you dip it on there. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's really sticking. We'll sprinkle it on. There's Daisy, licking her chops. Where's my Franks? Sitting over there out in the living room being lazy with his papa. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle this on. Since it's not really sticking very good, kind of breaking a little bit. Come on, get out of there. Okay. Anyway, that's good enough. Maybe we'll try a little bit of my own. All right. Well, let's jump back into the room and try these. You guys ready to go? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? They look good. They smell good. Let's go try them. You guys ready? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, where'd you come from?
Magic.
Wow.
All right. Oops. Let's sit down and try these delicious looking. Okay. Yeah. I got to up there. Woohoo. Try these delicious looking. Move your big knee. Okay, there. All right. Well, they smell really good. They're a little
Falling apart.
wiggly. They look really soft. Pink? Okay, let's try the pink. They're probably gonna they're a little crumbly.
Yeah.
Let's see. Daisy!
Smell like, I think it's like sweet bread.
It's wheat bread, but it does smell pretty sweet, huh?
Sweet.
Sweet! Hi, Daisy! Hi! Aw, I know, baby girl.
I thought it was going to be a lot stickier than this.
I thought so too. I'm not sure. It's kind of falling up. Oh, it's really soft. Oh my goodness.
Touch it.
It's not that. It's just soft and falling apart. I'm not sure about these. Anyway, let's try them.
Looks so sad.
Cheers. Looks so sad. It's kind of falling apart. I'm not sure. Well.
Just tastes sweet, that's it.
It does taste really sweet. Not super fantastic. Not horrible flavor. Sweet and falls apart. Kind of jiggly. I don't know what happened to them. But not really, huh? Not this one either. And not like horrible, like in a disgusting kind of way. Just not there. That's it. It is wheat flour, but it kind of looks like almost like dried out rice.
Yeah.
So they looked